Hello, welcome to Intelligent Data Services. Image to Notepad Editor 2020 Autotyper software demo. In Notepad Editor 2020, company gives image files to customers, which has to be typed into their own notepad, where copy-paste is not allowed. So, we have developed an Autotyper, which can type exactly like a human, using the keyboard. First of all, you need to upload the text file into our Autotyper. Then you just need to put the cursor on the typing area, and it will start the typing automatically. This is the only Autotyper in the whole market, which can type the data in Notepad Editor 2020 without getting traced, as it uses human artificial intelligence, which can simulate your keystrokes like a human. Other Autotypers uses direct encryptions into the Notepad Editor 2020, which make it risky and customers can get traced by it. So, in IDS Autotyper we use human AI which types your pages exactly like a human being, which makes it safe and untraceable. Along with that, it can take automatic backspaces like a human. Because if any human type any data, he definitely does some mistakes and he uses backspaces button to erase them and type correctly, which your company check while making your QC report. It can complete your whole page within 5 to 10 minutes, which a normal human takes 2 hours to type manually, which makes it the fastest Autotyper available in India. Our goal is to make the data entry work easier for people who are unable to give their whole day for typing. This Autotyper saves 90% of your time and makes your work totally easy.
Enjoy the rest of the video, and also subscribe the channel for all the future updates of the Autotyper. For more details call, or WhatsApp us on 876-732-5106.
Thanks for watching Notepad Editor 2020 Autotyper demo video. For more details contact us and check the description.